Welcome, in front of me is a NOKIA 5.4 and today I'll show you how to boot the device into Fastboot mode. And to get started, hold power key and select power off. Once the device shuts off, you want to hold power key and volume up, both of them at the same time. From there you should see the Android with no command, so to get past this, hold power key, press volume up once, and you should be in the recovery mode. And in here, using volume keys, you want to scroll down and select enter Fastboot, confirm it with power key, and voila, there we go. So that is how you boot into Fastboot mode, and once you're ready to leave it, you can simply select the reboot system now. So you don't actually need to select anything, it's already selected. So I'm going to press power key, and this will accept it and go back to Android. And there we go, we are now back in Android. So if you found this very helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.